Welcome to Degenerate EDC. EDC done degenerately. Alright, let's talk about the knives I love to hate, or is it hate to love? These are my 5 polished turds. Fixed blades that, for one reason or another, made me roll my eyes and then reach for them again. They're not perfect. Some are overpriced, some are overhyped, and some just try way too hard. So here we go. First up is the Kizer Smolt. Yeah, I said Smolt. That's like a fish, right? This thing looks like it's trying to be tactical and gentlemanly at the same time, and it kind of feels at both. And here's the twist. It's stupidly comfortable. The ergos are dialed. The blade shape is weirdly useful. It's got this micarta inlay that sits on this G10 handle, and it disappears in the pocket like it's nobody's business. I kind of love it. I kind of hate it. Words can't describe it, but still in all, it stays in rotation. The sheath also works the way it's supposed to. Next is the Esee Izula, a classic, but overbuilt. Also chunky, and somehow still lovable. It's a neck knife that thinks it's a survival blade, and the handle that feels like punishment. G10 olive drab. I've beat on this thing more than I should admit, and it keeps coming back for more. The coating wears like a bad tattoo, but the steel, 1095, super durable, super reliable. It's like that cockroach of the fixed blade. Ugly, but this thing will outlive you and your entire family. Like a true degenerate. Next, we got the Kizer Groom. This, I don't know what this knife is trying to be. Tactical barber, tactical steak knife. It's got this weird vibe, but the grind is clean. The handle works. It's a PE handle. I don't know how to say this handle, but it's PEI. You know which handle I'm talking about. And it's got enough attitude to stay around. It's like a mullet, business in the front, party in the back. You know what I'm talking about? And I don't feel anything when it counts. You know what I mean? Now, most of these knives come with different belt clips. I did change them, got these aftermarket clips. You can get them too, but these are just this one came with the SC actually, but all the other ones are aftermarket clips that I found myself. This one here I found off of a purple dragon knife. It's like a fake ulti clip. So it works for now. Didn't know it was a fake ulti clip, just keep that in mind. And here we have the Holtzman Gorilla baby Silverback. I think that's how you say it. Now we're getting spicy. The Gorilla Silver baby back, whatever. It sounds like a rack of ribs, but it looks like a small Ninja Fantasy. I'll give it this. It's built like a tank. If you feel this thing, this G10 handle is no joke. Super aggressive. The sheath is extra decent, solid, very sturdy, and the blade actually cut out the box. A D2 steel. Trying to deploy this knife out the sheath is a huge pain in my ass. Hey, Holtzman Gorilla, next time you make a knife, make it for a human, not a gorilla. And last but not least, we've got the Kizer Mini Harpoon. Because nothing says subtle like a blade shaped like a medieval weapon. It's short, loud, and borderline useless for anything delicate. This blade shape screams, "Look at me, look at me." And I did. It's stubby, it's loud, and it's surprisingly capable. The harpoon sledge is useless to me, but it looks kind of cool. And sometimes that's enough. It's the knife I didn't want to like, but now I kind of do, like it's a bad habit with good steel. Which is perfect for a true degenerate. It does come with a taco style sheath that is solid. And there you have it. My 5 polished turds. Knives that shouldn't work, but somehow they do. Knives I wanted to hate, but just couldn't. They're flawed, loud and unapologetic, just like the best people I know, but they've earned their place. If you've got a knife like that, where you talk trash about it, but you still carry it, drop it in the comments. Let's celebrate the misfits. If you're into this, and if you stayed with me till the end, please smash the like button. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Join the tribe. Thanks for tuning in to this degeneracy.